Alright guys, so to start this tutorial out, I'm going to go in with primer. My face is already moisturized. The moisturizer I used is the Revitalift Bright Reveal, and this is kind of like an anti-aging kind of moisturizer. Has hyaluronic acid in it, different things like that. Helps to take care of dark spots, stuff like that. That is a L'Oreal product. All the products are going to be L'Oreal. And the brushes I'm using are going to be Smashbox because I love Smashbox brushes. But yes, the first product that I am going in is with a blurring primer. And this happens to be one of my favorite from the drugstore. It has a really, really nice texture. And it really, really helps to fill in any fine lines, wrinkles, anything like that. Keeps your skin looking smooth, fills in pores. Primers are really important for foundation because our skin doesn't hold on to the liquid as well due to the texture and oil and any other properties our skin may be. Dry, flaky, whatever the case may be. Try not to use too much primer like I almost did right now. Somebody said makeup. So the foundation that I'll be using is from L'Oreal. Again, as I said, this is their Pro Matte in color 112 Cocoa. Well, let's give it a whirl. I'm kind of nervous. Oh. I'm going to work in a small area and really make sure to blend this in. I want to see what kind of coverage it's giving. What I do like about it off the bat is it has a little bit of that orangey coral kind of tone, so it does automatically cancel out hyperpigmentation and different like dark spots. So that's really good property to have in a foundation, whether it's high end or low end. But now knowing that this foundation is going to be a little bit orangey, in the center of my face, I'm going to go more for neutral tones because if I go warm on top of this orangey foundation, when it oxidizes, I'm going to look really orange. And if I go cool, well, I'm not going to go cool because I'm not cool in the center of my face in particular. So yeah, I do like orangey foundations. Sometimes you just have to know what colors to balance out because I'm generally not this warm all over. On the sides of my face and stuff, you can see a little bit more cool tone, but I do like that this is going to help with hyperpigmentation and different things like that really well, and it seems to matte down really nicely. Yeah, you guys know that I like L'Oreal. L'Oreal and Lancome with sister companies, so I mean, my favorite L'Oreal foundation though is True Match, but I said let me not use True Match. Let me try something new. I always use True Match. So that was one coat of the foundation, and I like this. I'm kind of late on this. I know that you guys have probably already tried this and have this and probably watched a million tutorials. I'm just gonna go with a tiny bit more just to get in some of the areas that need to talk about more. AJ Crimson has some of the absolute positive darkest complexion products that I know of. Yeah, I would definitely go check him out. I have like gel on my ear. This is color 311 Creme Cafe, and this is kind of like gonna be my center tone. It's kind of like a warm neutrally brown, and we're gonna see how we can make this work. It's way less warm than I'm used to, but my face is way warmer than I'm used to already. So do you prefer more orangey for darker like me? No. For very dark tone women, well, I mean, I guess it would have to be, you know, I'd have to see what color you were, but it's okay. Like, it can be worked out. I'll have to look at your colors I'll have to look at pictures of you afterward, because there's so many different levels to being dark. You can be dark warm, dark olive, dark blue, cool tone, dark neutral. And as you see, that kind of neutral tone, I don't know if you guys can see because you guys are kind of washed out, but when the tutorial comes up, you'll be able to see how this neutral tone really took down the look of the orange in the foundation. And then once I do the outer edges of my face, it will further balance out. Because I don't have a translucent color from L'Oreal, I am just going to go in and set my contour. My contour and highlight. This color is, I want to say it's like beige, something golden beige. Yes, golden beige. And this is from the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Powder Collection. And I really like this because when you're using it with a brush, it comes across really naturally and it doesn't really weigh your face down too much. And their powders are really matte. So you can kind of take this through your face as a light setting and kind of press it in a little bit to do a light bake. And then my contour powder, I want to say that this is Cocoa. And then I'm going to use Cocoa, the Pro Matte Infallible Powder as well, as my contour. Just going to sweep this along the edges, top. I meant to use this before using my powder. This is their new True Match Lumi Glotion, and the color that I have right here is 904 Deep Glow, and this is so pretty. I tried this the other day on Facebook. It is gorgeous. So I do promise to do another tutorial in the near future using this because it's very, very pretty. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go in and let me do a little brow work really quickly because my brows need a little work. I know that I have some L'Oreal brow products, but I couldn't find them right now. Thank you so much, Quint. I'm just gonna comb that, and then I have this new L'Oreal. These look like Smashbox pencils. I'm mad at them. Ooh. But I'm just gonna go in lightly and just draw in some hair strokes and just build out the body of my brow. Just a tiny bit. Nothing OD, honestly. Nothing OD. I'll comb it out a little bit. I did a whole video on setting. Somebody just sent me a message and I'm like, wait. I just did a video on setting with a lot of really great tips for that. But I would just say now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of this black pencil and just draw some other hair strokes in there. Absolutely not. Just mixing black and brown to kind of soften, well, do my brows in a little something. Now I'm going to go in with a brush and I'm going to shape them a little bit just to give them a little bit more life. I don't want to give them too much body. Alright guys, so we're going to go in with a little bit of continuous cocoa. I'm going to put this all over my lid. I'm going to smoke it out, and then we're going to do some liner, and we're just going to keep this really simple, nice little simple drugstore look. Listen, there ain't no Mbaku out. I've been seeing it. I've been seeing it. Ooh, I haven't. I'm ashamed of myself. Byron, I'm gonna. Honey, play with me. Thank you, honey. Who was that? Jazzy? Jazzy! Oh, I also have my L'Oreal Infallible spray here. All right, guys, so now that's pretty much it for the look. As you can see, I went in and added a little highlighter, Twilight, from their new Lumi Nude Glow palette, which I'm loving so far. I definitely want to try the Glotion with you guys. I added a little bit to my cheeks, to my Cupid's bow, my nose, and my tear ducts. And now I'm going to go in and set my foundation with the Infallible spray. Thank you, honey. That was enough. It's cold. Oh. What? Okay. Hold on. Let me just like wiping makeup all over my arms. I keep wanting to do this for some reason. There's nothing here. It's such a habit. Oh my god, look how dirty my hoodie is right now. My what do you call that? My battery was dying, so I kind of got you guys on a really interesting little situation, but I'm gonna let you guys go. I just wanted to show you guys this quick look. I had an urge to film all day, but I've been doing all types of nonsense all day that I just really didn't feel like doing, but I'm glad that I got it done. Glad that I was able to film something with you guys. A nice quick drugstore look. Everything used was L'Oreal. Everything. Even the stuff that I'm going to use to take this off right now is going to be L'Oreal. If you guys have any questions, just leave them below.